Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to go about mapping a network or shared drive on your Windows 11 computer. So mapping a network drive provides a drive later similar to a local partitions. Some applications need that drive later to functions. The purpose of network mapping can provide network administrators key performance insights such as device status, physical connections, and traffic metrics. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once ma-open mo na yung File Explorer, so dito na sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung this PC. And then select mo lang dito yung ating C drive. So click mo lang yan. And next step, kung paano ba natin i-map yung network. So dito lang sa gitna, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. Ito yung see more. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung map network drive. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And pop up itong map network drive. Okay, so specify the drive later for the connections and the folder that you want to connect to. So pwede kang mag-select dito kung anong gusto mong dito sa kanyang drive name and then yung folder. Right, so before adding a network drive, please consider these two options. So makita mo dito yung dalawang options na reconnect, assign in, or connect using different credentials. Alright? So mayroon naman ditong example kung paano natin ilagay yung ating website URL. Alright? And then pwede mo naman itong i-browse, i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so connect to a website that you can use to store your documents and pictures. Alright? Click mo lang yan. And then next, kapag nilagay mo na dito yung ating website URL, and then click mo lang dito yung finish. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to map a network or shared drive in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.